Good afternoon. It's December the 9th, 2016, and time to wrap up another day and another week of trading. We came in this morning with the idea to be long. Thought the market was going to go to 2250. Took a while, didn't it? Finally got through 2250 right here after lunch. The trades, we're having to change our way that we trade this market. We're trying to go for trade location. Not entering on B's and S's, trading with the trend. So the trades that paid off that we worked through twice, 2 trades early in the session, both good for 4-5 points. Winner, and we did say those trades are completed, and if you'd taken both of those trades, you had a very nice business plan. We saw no reason to get out of those trades. We talked that we were going to get to 2250, and while I can't guarantee that, pretty fair guess, all things considered. Just took a long time to develop. Then you get in this area right here, and that type of philosophy or approach saves you from getting chopped up and chewed up. So anyway, it was a great day of trading. We enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. And I heard from several of you that you were able to take those trades and trade them profitably and ride them for a long period of time. What do we see in the E-mini? Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it off the F1 screen. What do we see on the F2 screen? More of the same. And here's our anticipated move out of the middle right there. We have a P behind us. Nothing but P's behind us all the way up. Why wouldn't you be long? I really think obviously 2275 is the next stop as far as market numbers go, but we're headed to 2300. I think the Dow's headed to 20,000, so I don't know how long that'll take. I think we're going to see a new high for the year on December the 31st, the last week, so everybody can kick it off. A great start to the next new year. So right now, if the market were to close right now, we'd sell failure to take out 53.55. Remember, next week we have the FOMC announcement. The stock market tends to rally into that, even though they're going to increase interest rates. Then 59 to 64 would be sell to. On the buy side, the breakout came from 46. We're at 52. Maybe in London we have a shot to buy 45s to 47s. Obviously, got to put a question mark at 50. That might be the trade right there, and then 40 to 42 for buy 2. But again, it's been my contention from day one, and I've heard this from more than where do I get my ideas? I get my ideas from everywhere, everybody, everything. And one of the things I was told early on, that the most important decision you make as a trader is from which side of the market you're going to trade. And I've seen nothing in my years of trading to dissuade me from that thinking. And pretty simple, right? Easy to say, hard to do. But we have a great tool that tells you which way the market's going to go at least 2 out of 3 times, and usually more. And in this game, if you can be right 2 out of 3 times, you have an unbelievable edge on your competitors. The difference between day trading and swing trading is, in swing trading, you just have to get the direction right. And that's not too hard to do. In day trading, you've got to get the direction right. You've got to get the timing right, and you have to have trade location. You have to have all of those. Okay, on the note, lower high, lower low, F1, find a place to sell it. Double distribution down. E period break right there. Market is headed lower. Now, on Monday, we have the 3 in 10-year. On Tuesday, we have the 30-year. But my guess is we find the low in London over the weekend. We'll probably come in looking for a place to buy it on Monday because of the auction. Then on Wednesday we have the FOMC, where I think we may have a rumor fact set up right here. Everybody expects the Fed to raise interest rates. It is in the market. It's already priced in. So, okay, the Fed raises interest rates. Now what? Cover your shorts. So, right here we sit. I think we're going to head a little lower, but we're going to 24, 28 by 1, 17 to 21 by 2. In London, selling, the 24 even, 24.04, sell 1. 7 to 11 makes some sense. Look for low as we come in on Monday morning. But treasuries are a great market to trade for those of you that are visiting us. The Fed actually lets them sell. And that would be, why would they let the bonds or the notes sell? Because the cost of the interest debt goes up on the debt service goes up. They don't care. It's not their money. They're not held accountable. It's our money. We're the ones that have to pay it. We're the ones that get taxed. So 16 to 20 is going to be number 1. And we have the spill from 28, so 23, 27, sell 1. 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 48 even, 04, 1. 25, 29 by 1. And 13 to 17 by 2. Gold, I think it's still headed lower. Stops below 1150. The next major market number. They are within reach. Lower high, lower low, and we've just made a new low right here. I think the low volume number, if memory serves me correctly, is in that 35 area. Yeah, there it is. At 14,000 contracts, so that's also within reach. That is the next low volume number, but stops below 50 is what we're playing for right now. F1 says find a place to sell it. F2, definitely a B. 55, 57 by 1. Stops below 1150, so 49, 51 by 2. On the sell side, 64, 66, sell 1. 69, 71, sell 2. Pretty much where support and resistance are right now, except for the downside. Okay, crude oil. What's OPEC going to say this weekend? They're not going to say anything that I think that's going to hurt their cause. They may not get a deal. If they don't get a deal, there will be a interim meeting proposed for January. So we like the long side today because of the OPEC meeting, the idea that we wouldn't find too many people short. So the F1 screen says higher prices, but we'll have a news announcement. We'll come and do a news announcement Monday morning, so don't have to worry about that. Definitely P, trying to trade higher, so 51.75, 52, sell 1. 52 and a quarter, 52.50, sell 2. On the buy side, 51 even, 51 and a quarter, buy 1. And then 50 and a quarter, 50.50, buy 2. OPEC has missed the window to influence the non-OPEC producers by running the market down. So, what kind of a deal can they get? These people can do spreadsheets, and they understand what happens to their revenues when the price of a barrel of oil goes up or down. But what caused the spill from $100? They were fighting for market share. And to maintain that market share, not give up any ground no matter what the price of oil is, they'll let the bottom fall out. And I've seen this happen 3 times since I've been in the crude oil market. Okay, looking at the euro, stops below 105 I think is the play. And what a day the other day when Draghi spoke. Does make a difference, doesn't he? Put all this together. That looks pretty good. Put this in. And what do we have out of the middle right here today? Move out of the middle, right? Market has come to balance. New move starts, stops below 105. So this screen says find a place to sell it. And looking at the F2 screen, definitely a B. FOMC is supposed to be raising interest rates 25 basis points. Sell euros, buy denominated debt, buy dollar denominated debt so you can get money on your money. Pretty simple concept. Okay, so 105.60 to 70, sell 1. 590, 106 even, sell 2. On the buy side, 105.25, buy 1. 105 even, buy 2. And that's it for this December the 9th, 2016. Y'all have a great weekend. May all of your sports teams win, whatever they may be. May your weekend exceed your expectations. Bright and early Monday morning, we'll get it going again. Thanks.